Maxidisc BriteMax is created of a web of non-woven fibers with high-quality aluminum oxide grains distributed throughout the flaps, resulting in high durability, long life, and provide a consistent finish. The disc is designed to offer maximum performance and safety and is contamination-free. Application includes surface conditioning, deburring, blending, cleaning, and more. For use with metal and stainless steel. Available in 4.5 and 5-inch diameters from coarse to ultra-fine grits, with or without 5/8 11 hubs. The Pearl Maxidisc BriteMax. To learn more, please call us or visit our website.